In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from a board in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board that contains the data you want to export. Before you move on, take a quick moment to confirm that you're on the correct board and that the information visible there is the information you actually need. This helps avoid exporting the wrong dataset and saves time later. Once you're inside the right board, look for the board menu. This is where Monday.com keeps additional board options and management tools. Click the board menu to open it and reveal the available actions. Depending on your workspace layout or account version, the wording and placement may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be found in this general menu area. From there, choose the option labeled Export, or in some cases, More Actions first and then Export. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Some menus are nested, so you may need one extra click before the export options appear. The goal here is simply to access the export settings for the current board. After that, select the export format you want to use. In most cases, Excel is the usual and most practical choice, especially if you plan to review, sort, filter, or share the data outside of Monday.com. Choosing the correct format is important because it affects how easily you'll be able to work with the file once it's downloaded. Next, confirm the export. This tells Monday.com to generate the file based on the board data currently available. Depending on the size of the board and how much information it contains, this may happen almost instantly or take a short while to process. If the board is large, give it a moment and avoid clicking repeatedly, since one confirmation is usually enough. When the file is ready, download it to your computer. Make sure you save it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated work folder. Keeping your exported files organized can make future reporting and record keeping much easier. Finally, open the downloaded file and review the exported data on your computer. Check that the rows, columns, and values look complete and that the export includes what you expected. This final review is useful because it lets you catch formatting issues, missing data, or anything that may need a second export before you start using the file. That's it. You've successfully exported your board data from Monday.com.